I won't be able to be a good parent.
It's just that no matter what you do as a mother, you will be questioned. आज तो पापा ने खाना बनाया, आज तो कुछ स्पेशल
Mother's Day पे पापा ने खाना
हाँ.
बनाया. These advertisements with like Mother's Day में माँ के इतने हाथ निकल आए, एक में पैन है, एक में लैपटॉप है, एक में बेबी है, बेबी का डायपर है. अरे, give your mother a break.
Pure pressure of how we are the ones who are connected to that child in that certain way.
Yeah, because the first thing that most gynecologists ask is, are you planning to have a kid?
To the sugar mommies,
Glucose guardian. Hi everyone, welcome back to Eve's Teasing Podcast. मैं हूँ फरजीन. Say it.
I'm Prapti.
You're wearing blue liner.
Yeah,
I'm wearing green liner.
I saw.
What a color coordinated episode. And मुझे एकदम, I want to start with what we want to talk about. Do you ever want to be a mother?
No.
थोड़ा मदद देखती. No, straight up.
Yeah.
Great. That's also my answer. Why, if I may ask?
Yeah, I just don't think this is the kind of world I can get kids into. I
Fair.
cannot be always worried about what is happening, especially if it's a girl.
Yeah.
Okay, for the worry that will always eat me regarding her safety
Yeah.
is something I don't want to go through. I know what anxiety feels like. I want to keep it as much at bay as possible.
Right. No, absolutely. And that's also one of my major reasons. But my other reason is that I feel like I won't be able to be a good parent to my child in this mehengai where I can't afford the things that I want for myself. I would want the best for my child as well, right? And I don't want that pressure where I'm constantly worried ki, oh, if I'm not earning enough, then I don't get to send my child to the best school. Plus, I feel like I myself am such an ungrateful child. My child's gonna be like that. It's a very selfish reason that I've really thought about, and my friends are like, how are you so sure? Because I know the expectation that we have of mothers.
Yeah. It's just that no matter what you do as a mother, you will be questioned.
Yeah. Nothing's ever going to be enough.
Enough,
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah.
Like there is always this thing that if you're parents, you are bound to make mistakes.
Huh.
You are bound to make certain choices which will not be in the best interest of the child, and you learn.
Yeah.
So I also don't want to pass on any kind of trauma.
Yeah.
Like this ends here.
And it's inevitable, right? If you decide to have a kid, it's not like you'll only have a kid when you have like resolved all your issues. That's never going to happen.
Yeah.
I thought that it was interesting to discuss the idea of motherhood and what we think of mothers, because Mother's Day and brands are going crazy with माँ सब जानती है, माँ का ये है, माँ ने sacrifice कर दिया. What are your thoughts on that?
Just because of our biological capacity. Okay, I call it capacity. I don't call it ability and
Yeah,
all of that.
yeah.
It's a capacity. Just because of that capacity, there is this pure pressure of how we are the ones who are connected to that child in
Yeah,
that certain way.
yeah.
But I don't think that's true. Okay, fine. I gave birth to the child. I will have a special connection. Okay, fine. But isn't the father supposed to have an equally special connection?
Yeah, I mean, and if that is not true biologically because you have given birth to the child, develop it. Partner needs to develop it so that it's an equal share when it comes to upbringing and all the responsibilities that come with raising a kid. But somehow those expectations always lie with the mother. Okay, we've heard fatherless behavior and all is a thing on social media now, but honestly, the amount of times I've read people call women bad mothers. Oh my god, she's feeding this, she's giving her child this for lunch.
यार फूड छोड़ परवरिश में कमी रह गई.
हाँ, परवरिश में कमी रह गई.
I realized two things while you were saying this. One is that the father will only be seen as the breadwinner. He's the man, he's earning, he's coming home, he's taking care of the family like that. The woman, though, if it's a two-income family, the woman is also an equal breadwinner, but when she comes home, there is another expectation out of her
Yeah.
to completely change to this role where
Yeah.
she is taking care of the entire world. And That comes from just not being able to see, women as people.
Yeah, absolutely. And especially mothers, because I feel like I think we have also unconsciously made these mistakes where we have not seen our mothers beyond the identity of them being our mother. Like मेरी मम्मी के भी सपने थे, अभी वो उन्होंने पूरे नहीं किए. एज अ पर्सन उनके जो सपने थे वो पूरे नहीं हुए बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स केम इन द वे. एंड बीइंग अ सिंगल मॉम, वी डेफिनेटली, लाइक माय ब्रदर एंड आई, वी केम इन द वे. अभी वो चीज एज एन अडल्ट आई रियलाइज, बट विल माय मॉम एवर से दैट? नो, बिकॉज वो तो कैसे बोल सकती हैं ऐसे?
That's there's
अच्छी
not
माँ कैसे है वो अगर ऐसे बोलेगी तो?
उनके लिए कोई आउटलेट भी नहीं
हाँ.
है यार. And the thing is, you can be an अच्छी माँ and then also say that had this pregnancy not
Yeah.
happened, I would have been somewhere else.
Oh my god, yes.
Like it's like I could have been here, but I am here,
Yeah.
and it's not that I'm unhappy, but I wish that was also
Exactly.
there. What is wrong in them wishing for things? Again, not having the capacity of looking at them as human beings before mothers
Yeah.
and sisters
Yeah.
and all the
Yeah.
other pressure that is put on them.
माँ के हाथ का खाना, माँ के हाथ का खाना is something that we've all basically grown up with.
Yeah.
And it's something that everybody takes pride in. But I have often seen a lot of women being reduced to just that. Entire identity is, "Ma, my friends are coming over, they love your आपके हाथ का राजमा, please make it." And the mom will make it. बच्चों को क्या पसंद है? Most of the times they also do it out of love. But this idea of love,
You're talking about that idea
Yeah.
of माँ के हाथ
हाँ,
का खाना.
हाँ.
And you'll also see how Papa ke haath ka khana is a novelty.
Yeah, oh my
Papa-
god, my dad cooks, huh?
Yeah.
So cool.
No, not just that. आज तो पापा ने खाना बनाया, आज तो कुछ स्पेशल
Mother's
होगा.
Day पे पापा ने खाना
हाँ.
बनाया.
ठीक है, वुमेन्स डे पे पापा ने खाना
हाँ.
बना दिया.
It's true. And I feel like यहाँ पे it's not just us, it's also how pop culture has represented moms, and all the caring or like the feeling of security definitely comes with your mother. It's something that I'm not denying that.
But why can't fathers also develop that?
yeah.
It is your child. It is
Yeah.
not. Two people worked to make this happen.
yeah.
Then why is it? Again, that is where I think the internet's fatherless behavior term comes in,
Ha,
because
ha.
the fathers are just absent.
Yeah, even as mothers, all the people who are mothers, my friends are they're planning, and I hope that they realize that somewhere this has to break. This idea, the stereotypes, everything, it has to break. Where everything is not expected out of a mom, and you don't judge yourself for being a bad mom. What is even a bad mom? As long as you're not,
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what a bad mom is.
The ones that abuse the child, the
Yeah.
narcissistic moms.
Yes,
Yeah. So we're not
yes.
talking about them.
हाँ. But they're bad people.
Yeah.
Why do we say bad mom? Bad people, right?
Yeah.
It's also one very important thing that I read, that not everyone should have kids. Not everyone is built to
Absolutely.
have
I agree
kids.
to this.
And I feel like the pressure is so real. Ab jaake to gradually things are changing where I can talk about it very openly that I don't want a kid, and I have my reasons. And if you're fortunate, you will actually meet a partner who also doesn't want kids.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it becomes a pressure, an added pressure, where either you're convinced that now you want to have kids because your partner wants it so much, or if you're on the fence, it's something that I feel like you're just giving in.
I also feel like, why isn't it properly discussed whether you want to have kids or not? Because we have to keep in mind that it is the woman's body, it is the woman's
Exactly.
career, it is the woman's life, it is the woman's hormones. Her entire life will take a drastic turn.
Yeah.
There will be this whole change.
Yeah.
And yet, the final choice is not with her.
Yeah.
She is saying things like, okay, they want it, so let me. I'm
Haan,
not
let
saying
me
that there
have
are women who
don't choose it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think people our age still have that kind of agency. At least I would hope and believe that that's true.
हाँ, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है
उम्मीद पे
बड़ी।
दुनिया कायम है. And I feel like even when you go meet professionals, when you go meet gynecologists, it becomes such a big deal, because the first thing that most gynecologists ask is, are you planning to have a kid? Oh,
After
if you
30s,
are,
yeah.
if you are, then it's already too late. IVF karna padega and what not, and I'm like, but the person came for a regular checkup.
I remember someone, it's a gynac. I remember this person trying to just over and over again trying to freezing the eggs.
Freezing.
Oh my, I kept saying I don't want to have kids, and yet they would come back and, suggest the thing again. And I just didn't, why should I
Yeah.
spend so much money?
It is so expensive. The rate of success is kind of low.
And also, there are these hormones that are injected into your body.
So if somebody is choosing it, I'm sure they are doing their research. But if a professional is coercing you into opting that as an option, I'm sorry, please do your job right. It's your job. You had one job, not
Yeah.
to pressurize the woman.
Yeah, like ask her whether she wants a kid
Yeah.
or not. If she doesn't, just move on with it, bro.
There was this list that was circulated at one point of time, which was like this Excel sheet, and it has lists of all gynecologists who are non-judgmental, who are not going to put pressure. And I think that list still exists, and I'll maybe put a link somewhere in the comments or something. And people had shared their experiences. This gynecologist was non-judgmental. This gynecologist helped me with exactly what I needed help with, and I see puri lambi list there. And I'm glad that that is happening,
Yeah.
because of course women are realizing that their bad experiences don't necessarily need to be like something that carries on.
Yeah, and it's I think all the states or something, the list.
If I were to think of the selfless daya ki murti that moms are expected to be, and often they are, I mean, that's how that even came into the picture, because that's the conditioning that they are raised with, right? You
No,
see?
that's what.
Huh.
Yeah, like if you're conditioned, like even if there'll be so much guilt,
Yeah.
wanting to do something else and always being aware of the fact that if you do, there are human lives you are neglecting in
Yeah.
pursuit of your dream.
Exactly. And I remember, I feel like this is probably like a universal experience, or at least a lot of my people, my friends as well, is that when you like something, so for instance, if I like to eat something and I know that my mom likes to eat it too, or agar wo kam pad gaya, then suddenly that day my mom doesn't want it as much. वो फिर मेरा मन नहीं है, मेरा पेट भरा हुआ है, and it's such a कि इतना माँ वाली चीज है ये. When you do that for your friends, when you do that for your partners, you're told कि अरे माँ मत बन, and I feel like इतना ज्यादा deep rooted है this idea of being a mother.
This takes me back to this one particular memory where the daughter was my friend, and she had saved something to eat later. And she goes to the fridge, opens it, and it's not there. And she goes and asks her mother, and her mother's like, "Why ate it?"
Huh.
And she's like, "But I kept it for me." And like it's
Huh.
known that it's her favorite dish or whatever. She's like, "Yeah, I ate it. Get another one."
Love it.
And no, but now, yes, I love it. But
हाँ.
back then, I was like,
कैसी माँ है.
I was like, मम्मी ऐसे कैसे. मैंने अपने घर जाके बोला, पता है मम्मी ऐसे बोला, और फिर मेरी माँ मुझे सुना रही, ऐसी होती है हर घर की माएं, ऐसी होता, कोई नहीं ऐसे पीछे पीछे घूम के खाना खिलाता जैसे मैं खिलाती हूँ तुम्हें. उनको तो और अवार्ड खुद को दे दिया उन्होंने.
But that's true. I remember this one ex of mine, okay, he would tell me that the mother would ask him kitni roti chahiye. So if he says 2, and she'd make 2, and then she's made 2 for herself, and he'd like, after he's finished his rotis, he would slyly go towards her roti, and she
Slap his hand away,
slapped his hand and was like, "You asked for 2, you got 2. Now these 2 are mine." And as an adult, I was like, wow, I wish like we were all just okay being this way. I feel like it's so important to put your needs in place as well. And moms
Yeah.
never do that. Most moms would never put their needs first.
And ये जो conditioned pedestalization है, that this is what a mother is supposed
Yeah.
to be like, and this is the expectations from motherhood. That is the biggest reason perhaps why women they're okay with the idea of not pursuing their dreams after
dreams.
mother. I'm not saying that dreams can change.
Yeah, absolutely.
It can change.
Yeah.
Maybe now she wants this, but what if after a while she wants that too?
Yeah.
Who's gonna make space for that?
Yeah. And this often also leads to some sort of resentment as well, because often parents, and especially mothers, would come back and say, "We did so much for you, we sacrificed everything for you. And in that moment, you might feel like, yeah, they did, but it feels like it was their choice. But honestly, that's like an
Not-
illusion of choice.
No, not even choice. I don't like the phrase when parents come and tell you, we did all this for you.
Yeah,
I did not ask you to birth me.
exactly. Yeah.
I'm having a tough time here.
Yeah.
And it's not easy. So this was your choice.
Yeah.
And now I'm having to fend for myself. So please don't come to me with that.
Exactly. It's that thing that if they were not conditioned to constantly just give up on their life for the kid, or even have a kid in the first place, they would never come back with statements like these, right?
Yeah, it's like, we owe, no human being owes you anything.
Yeah.
The fact that you've had kids does not mean they owe you a certain kind of life, which I am not saying you're not supposed to take care of your
Yeah,
parents in their old
absolutely.
age. That is
Yeah.
not what I'm going
Yeah.
with this, but I'm not supposed to live out my life like my parents would have wished me to, or all of that is what I mean.
Yeah, I
But
mean,
this is also something that comes with a lot of privilege that I'm saying.
the idea that you're an individual is something that parents, I think, struggle with, mostly mothers. And from my personal experience, I think I've seen my mom struggle with this a lot, that the moment she realized that I would have a life of my own where I would do things on my own, it became something that was constantly brought up. हमने कभी रोका नहीं, हमने तुम्हें जो पढ़ना था वो पढ़ने दिया. It is coming from the place where, they've always been surrounded by people and the idea of being that mother.
Yeah.
आपने सब कुछ किया, आपने
और कोई चॉइस थोड़ी
हाँ,
है अब.
हाँ.
आपने फिर ये वाली चॉइस क्यों बनाई? पहले
Yeah.
तो है कॉन्डम वॉन्डम यार दुनिया में.
मदर्स डे पे क्या बेच रहे हैं हमको?
Yes.
Which was that moment, if there was any, where you felt like, I wish my mom didn't have to do that. I wish my mom didn't have to entirely not be a person of her own and be something for society's sake or whatever. Has there ever been?
I have, I know that my parent, she likes to travel. That is something I got to know so much. Like, it's in my late 20s that I got to know that she likes to travel. She hasn't traveled much. That has not, and now she's retired and she kept, and what has it gotten her?
Yeah.
Keeping everything, ahead of herself. There has not been any point in that.
Yeah.
And everything for her was always, future oriented. That if I'm like this right now, when there is, when it's the time to get rishtas for my kids, then it will be difficult. If I'm not already like, it has always been so future oriented. She never lived in the present. And I think that's all mothers.
Yeah.
They're always like, abhi ye nahi kiya to
हाँ,
bachcho ka ye,
हाँ.
abhi ye nahi kiya to bachcho ka ye. So, there are things she says, there are things she does. Earlier, I would not have realized or recognized it, but now I'm like, I wish you hadn't birthed us. I wish you had that life.
For real, I mean,
Yeah.
the times that you've heard moms say कि कभी खुद के लिए कुछ लिया नहीं, I've never bought a sari for myself because, and this is very I think middle class wala experiences we're sharing, but other things as well, just how a lot of working women choose to leave their jobs and because they want to raise their kids, and if it's coming from a space of privilege and them wanting to do it, sure, but the expectation is also so real.
Motherhood is a choice. उस तरह से how you bring up your child should also be a choice.
Exactly, yeah.
It's a two-person initiative,
yeah.
right? So the father should be equally involved.
Yeah.
So, okay, working parents, both. It does not mean anyone is not taking care of the kid,
Yeah.
Like, it's not like you're not interested in your child.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
there was an actress who went ahead saying that,
Yeah, they're not toys or they're not pets or something, no, that I would obviously stay at home and take care of my kids. That's because you have the privilege of staying at home. Not everyone has the privilege. I've seen like people working on the roads, building roads with kids tied on their waist, women. That's also something that's so real, especially in a country like ours. And I've never seen a man holding the child while working, building roads. Of course, the baby also needs the mom, I guess,
this also I think can be contested a little bit because I'm not seen many fathers as involved in the child as the mother
Yeah,
is.
maybe that's why we are made to believe that it's
Yeah,
the
maybe that's
child.
our conditioning.
Yeah, because sure, certain things only moms will be able to provide nutrition and all till a certain period of time. Absolutely,
That's different.
That is absolutely
We are not
different,
talking
yeah.
about the scientific
Yeah,
thing. Yeah.
because I just stated it out because I know people will come at us with that. कि ये क्या? Like the point of this topic was because हो गया यार, माँ सब कुछ जानती है, माँ सब कुछ कर लेगी. These advertisements with like Mother's Day में माँ के इतने हाथ निकल आए, एक में पैन है, एक में लैपटॉप है, एक में बेबी है, बेबी का डायपर है. अरे give your mother a break, give women a break. Just like
Let's hope.
yeah,
Here's to hoping.
yeah, and that's why I felt like this idea of motherhood needs to be discussed, if not changed instantly.
So my parent, she has worked all her life. Okay, and then it's like she wakes up. We're farmers, so she wakes up in the morning at 4. There are things to do. Then she leaves for office at 8. Then she comes back at 6, and it's a whole routine for her. She came for 3-4 days to my place in Delhi, and she had nothing to do. Like I had someone who would come, cook, clean, and leave. For clothes also, there's the machine and everything, and there's no plantation that you have to go out to and everything.
Yeah.
So every time, every half an hour or 2 hours, she would come ask me, "Do you want something? Should I make you something?" Like I have seen mothers now have discomfort in leisure.
Oh my God,
They
Prapti.
cannot, they don't know what to do with leisure anymore.
Yeah, it's like if my mom is sitting and now they're getting old and you would want them to just chill, Nahi, I can't just sit idle. And it's not about being idle. It's like do other things, find your hobbies. But no, coming back to moms not being able to rest and be okay with just chilling.
Chilling,
Just like,
yeah. She was there for 4 days, and she would watch 4 movies a day.
हाँ.
I'd be like, ये रहा मेरा laptop,
हाँ.
ये रहे आपके सारे
हाँ,
OTT,
हाँ.
देखो.
हाँ.
And then I'd ask her, okay, which one did you like?
Yeah.
Because I'd be doing my work,
Yeah.
and I'd go ask her, and then
Yeah.
she would tell me.
So sweet.
Yeah.
And I feel like I also feel really sad because like I was discussing, the identity is often attached to you being a mom or you being a great cook or whatever. And the moment that is slightly changed, the balance shifts and your kids are out of your home, out of your nest, it's like you lose a sense of purpose.
Yeah.
Mothers often lose that sense of purpose, and that to me is so scary and so sad.
Yeah.
Because right now, sometimes I video call my mom and she's like, अब क्या करूं, तुम लोग भी चले गए, like you guys have your own life. I'm like, you also have your own life, woman. Realize it and do something.
Yeah.
My mom's a great singer, Prapti. Okay, she's never been trained and she's always wanted to be a singer. Some Joshi had once told her that she would be as big as Lata Mangeshkar. Now, that thought is always there in her head. But even right now, if I tell her, I'll get you music classes, I'll get you enrolled in, no, ab main kaha? Why not, right?
And this why not, I don't know how we'll ever explain this
I
why
don't
not
know.
to them.
Yeah. I just hope that with time, thoda ho raha hai. It's happening. I feel like with my mom, it's happening. कौवा, मदर्स डे. कौवे तो वो होते हैं ना जो, अच्छा नहीं, कोयल होते हैं वो अपने नेस्ट. एक कोयल जैसी माँ बनना चाहिए सबको.
हाँ, I would agree.
है ना, कोयल ही होता है ना that puts the egg in कौवा.
Yeah.
और
Kawwa's nest.
Kawwa's nest.
Yes.
हाँ?
They push their eggs away.
Oops, ये नहीं करो यार.
ये तो फिर हॉस्पिटल में थोड़ा वो करना पड़ेगा. हम ये सब बिल्कुल प्रमोट नहीं कर रहे
हैं. हम बस सोच रहे हैं
possibilities,
perspectives of just ऐसे fictional.
Yeah.
But to all the mothers, a very happy Mother's Day. To women who are going to be mothers, extremely important that you put yourself first.
Try.
Yeah.
Try again till you succeed, but try.
Yeah.
Obviously, there will be a certain, I think, time limit जब दोनों parents को मिलके child को पहले रखना पड़ेगा.
Sure.
But please don't lose yourself, through it. Like it's the woman who does lose herself mostly.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
चलो guys, bye bye.
Bye.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके. And this is Farzeen.
This is Prapti.
And like, share, subscribe. We're on Instagram also. Follow
Send
us.
it to your mom
Send it to your mom. Yeah.
or someone you. Mommy.
And to the sugar mommies.
Glucose guardian.
मैं sugar mommy बोलूंगी.
या मैं बनना चाहती हूँ शुगर मम्मी अपने लिए अपनी.
मैं नहीं बनना चाहती शुगर मॉमी भी. मेरे पैसे मैं लाइक मे बी मैं शायद मैं कंसीव नहीं कर पा रही, पता है, उस टाइप का
कंसीव नहीं कर पा
हाँ, like I can't conceive the idea also.
of being a mother.
Imagine,
conceiving a child.
yeah,
is
of
another
conceive the idea of being rich, babe.
What the fuck?
That kind of rich, and I'm a sugar mommy.
Oh.
चाइल्ड वाइल्ड तो क्या ही करूंगी मैं. चलो कट बहुत हो गया हमारा.
नहीं,
आप लोग
but
जाओ.
this Mother's Day send us money. I am sure I was very parent-like to my partners, ex-partners. I think I deserve some of their earnings now.
ये रेपरेशन मांग रही है गाइस. बाय.